Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Pandey Jyoti, and this is Jyoti. So this is going to be the last vlog of this year, and in this vlog I'm going to do two things. Firstly, I'm going to fix this plant into this pot, and secondly I'm going to show you my planner as I have mentioned in my previous video. So I just got this plant from my friend's garden, and now I'm going to fix it in this pot, and let me show you. Okay, firstly, I'm going to tell you about this plant. This is an indoor plant, that means it does not require much sunlight. You can keep it inside your room and anywhere where you like, but not in the direct sunlight. This plant is known as Erica palm plant, and I will mention the spelling of this plant. If you want to know much about this plant, just do Google and you will get the details about this plant. So I was looking for this kind of plant so that I can keep it in my study area or indoors, because I just like this plant so much. And then I came to know that my friend has this plant in her garden, so I just asked her and she just bought it for me. And I think it's better to exchange plants from your friends and neighbors garden, because why you have to waste money for it, because plants are the things that can easily be like transferred from one place to another place. So I think we all should do this. So I need help, because she has packed it so nicely कि ये खुल ही नहीं रहा मुझसे. So actually when you will go and get this plant, you will get it for maybe 200 or 300, so it's better to exchange it from your friends. So yeah, enjoy the little things, because these things will provide you happiness, and this is what your life is, that seeking happiness in small things. So now my work is finished, and we are going to do our second thing, that is our planner thing. So this is going to be my planner for 2021, and I am not going to buy any planner for this year, because because last year when I bought one planner, it was like so much heavy and thick that I ended up in like not completing that planner, so it is very discouraging. So better you made some small planners and don't invest money there. Okay, so yeah, it's particularly thin with some white pages in it. Suppose if I end this planner earlier, I can add more white pages in it. Okay, so with this purpose I have used this as my planner this year. So here are white pages available for it. Now I am going to show you what I have written on this planner. Just go for it is the first point, because you keep thinking and you never start. So yeah, and I do the same thing. So for myself I have written these quotes. Just go for it. The first quote is also very much related to me, that you don't always need a plan. Sometimes you just need to breathe, trust, let go and see what happens, because I generally plan things and those things never happens. Okay, so this is believe you can and you are halfway there, because I am the person who is like really underconfident. I think that I can't do this, but I know I can. So this is the last quote, that is very cute, like be a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside. So at the back of this planner I have written that we should be grateful, thankful, and feel blessed, because sometimes it happened with us. I think it happens with me, so maybe it happens with you guys also, that we start thinking too much about the things which we don't have, but we are generally not very grateful towards the thing that we have, like good food, good parents, and supportive family, supportive friends. So I think we should be grateful to them and to God also, that we have these things which are necessary for achieving anything else in the life. So I have mentioned this to get a reminder whenever I feel low. Okay, so this is Air at a Glance 2021. Now on my next page I have written like future locks. I have not mentioned much more things like budget, expenses, and you guys can mention it if you want. You can have more out of your planner. And I have not mentioned it because I generally don't need them right now. Goals, there are study goals, career helping goals, also health goals and self-care goals, because when it comes to health and self-care I am the laziest person ever. So I just want to change this habit also, so I have mentioned this one in this planner. And this is expenses and events according to the month. Actually expenses we all have, but being a student, I generally don't earn this time, so I have given a very short space for this expenses and events like the seminar and the workshop I generally attend. I will write that thing. Here is the whole month to do list. I have made it for January and not for February. So this was all for my planner. You guys can mention all other things that are available on different planner making ideas. You will get more planner making ideas. And this is my diary. Suppose if I have to write any extra things, I can write in this, because I have a collection of diaries too. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then please do like, share and subscribe, and do make a planner for yourself. And if you make, then do share it on Instagram and tag me. I will provide my Instagram ID in the description box. And happy new year, guys. I also want to thanks all those people who are added to my YouTube family this year, and your beautiful comments motivates me, so keep doing it.